Scrapwood is often seen as leftover material, but for creative minds, it's an opportunity to craft something unique and extraordinary. Instead of letting small wood pieces go to waste, they can be transformed into stunning home decor, functional items, or even artistic sculptures. The beauty of scrapwood projects lies in their sustainability and originality. Each piece carries a story, a history of the wood's previous life, and a chance to create something new from something old. One of the most rewarding ways to use scrapwood is by creating unique wooden wall art. Small pieces of wood can be arranged into geometric patterns, layered designs, or abstract compositions to form an eye-catching display. Some artisans use varying shades of wood, staining different pieces to create contrast and depth. Others embrace the natural weathered look of reclaimed wood, assembling fragments into rustic wall panels that bring warmth and texture to a space. Whether the goal is a structured, symmetrical pattern or an organic, free-flowing design, scrapwood wall art becomes an expressive and one-of-a-kind piece. Another fantastic project is making wooden coasters. Small wood slices, leftover plank sections, or even puzzle-like arrangements of tiny scraps can be turned into stylish drink coasters. Some woodworkers enhance these by burning intricate designs into the surface with pyrography, engraving personalized messages, or adding a layer of resin for a glossy, protective finish. These coasters not only serve a practical purpose, but also make great handmade gifts, showcasing craftsmanship and creativity. Scrapwood can also be repurposed into stunning wooden candle holders. By carving, drilling, or stacking pieces together, beautiful candle stands with intricate patterns and natural textures can be created. Some designs feature hollowed-out logs for tea lights, while others use stacked wooden cubes with geometric cutouts to create a dramatic shadow-casting effect. The warm glow of candlelight against the raw beauty of wood adds a cozy and inviting atmosphere to any room. For those who love functional decor, scrapwood shelves are an ideal way to repurpose leftover materials. Floating shelves made from reclaimed wood planks bring a rustic charm, while angled or asymmetrical shelf designs add a modern artistic flair. Some creative designs incorporate multiple wood scraps to form a mosaic-style shelf, where different wood tones and textures come together in a visually striking way. These shelves are perfect for displaying plants, books, or decorative pieces while also reducing material waste. Another innovative way to use scrapwood is by crafting wooden key holders. By cutting and assembling small wood pieces into unique designs, personalized key organizers can be created. Some designs incorporate hooks for hanging keys, while others feature built-in slots for mail or small accessories. For added charm, natural wood grain patterns can be preserved, or a splash of paint can be added for a pop of color. These key holders not only keep essentials organized, but also add a touch of handmade craftsmanship to entryways. Small wood scraps can also be transformed into charming wooden plant holders. Whether it's a simple cube with a drilled hole for a test tube vase or a multi-piece geometric stand, wooden planters bring nature indoors in a stylish way. Hanging wooden plant holders, where thin scrapwood pieces are layered into a tiered design, create a floating effect that enhances the beauty of greenery. Some people take a step further by carving unique patterns into the wood, giving each planter a personal artistic touch. For those who enjoy woodworking with a bit of an artistic twist, scrapwood can be turned into detailed wooden mosaics. This involves cutting small pieces of different wood types and arranging them into a detailed design, whether it's an abstract shape, a nature-inspired scene, or even a city skyline. When carefully sanded, stained, and sealed, the final piece resembles a wooden painting, bringing a sense of depth and craftsmanship to the artwork. Scrapwood is also perfect for making custom picture frames. Instead of purchasing generic frames, old wooden planks can be cut, joined, and sanded to create one-of-a-kind picture holders. Some designs incorporate live-edge wood, while others feature patchwork-style scrap arrangements. For a vintage look, distress paint finishes or wood-burning techniques can add character, making the frame as special as the picture it holds. Wooden jewelry and accessories are another fascinating way to repurpose scrapwood. Small wooden earrings, pendants, and bracelets can be carved, shaped, and polished to create wearable art. Some artisans embed tiny resin accents into the wood, capturing elements like dried flowers, metallic flakes, or even glowing pigments for a striking effect. These handcrafted accessories not only showcase the beauty of wood, but also highlight the creativity of turning small scraps into intricate designs. Another unique idea is crafting wooden phone stands. By carefully cutting and shaping scrap wood, simple yet stylish phone holders can be made to keep devices upright while charging or watching videos. Some designs incorporate carved slots to enhance the functionality, while others embrace minimalist aesthetics with sleek edges and natural finishes. These stands are both practical and elegant, making them an excellent use for otherwise discarded wood pieces. For woodworking enthusiasts looking to challenge their creativity, making wooden puzzles from scrap wood is a fun and engaging project. Whether it's a classic jigsaw-style puzzle, a 3D interlocking design, or a brain-teasing wooden maze, crafting a puzzle requires precision and imagination. The beauty of these puzzles is that they can be customized to any shape or complexity level, making them great as unique gifts or conversation pieces. Even the smallest wood scraps can find a purpose when turned into decorative wooden magnets. By cutting tiny pieces into different shapes, sanding them smoothly, and adding small magnet attachments, many wood art pieces can be displayed on refrigerators, metal boards, or filing cabinets. Some designs include wood-burning details, hand-painted accents, or engraved patterns that give each magnet its own personality. One of the most unexpected yet delightful uses of scrap wood is crafting wooden bookmarks. Thin slices of wood can be sanded down, engraved with intricate designs, and finished with a coat of natural oil or wax to enhance the wood grain. Some bookmarks feature decorative edges, tiny leather tassels, or even embedded resin details, making them not only practical for book lovers, but also beautiful keepsakes. One of the most exciting and creative ways to push the boundaries of woodworking is by transforming scrap wood into sculptural furniture. What some might see as discarded materials, skilled woodworkers see as an opportunity to create something truly unique. By carefully piecing together various scraps in an intentional and artistic way, custom tables, chairs, and benches can be designed with a striking patchwork effect. Each piece of wood, with its own grain, texture, and color, contributes to a final design that is rich in character and depth. But some artisans take this approach even further. Instead of simply arranging scraps in geometric patterns, they sculpt the wood into flowing, organic shapes, blurring the line between furniture and art. Imagine a coffee table with smooth, wave-like curves, or a chair that looks as though it was naturally formed by twisting tree roots. These designs embrace the natural beauty of imperfection, making each piece not only functional but also a statement of artistic craftsmanship. The beauty of sculptural furniture made from scrap wood lies in its unpredictability. No two pieces will ever be the same because each project is dictated by the materials at hand. Some pieces might showcase contrasting wood tones, creating bold visual effects, while others highlight knots, cracks, and live edges to celebrate wood's natural history. This technique allows woodworkers to embrace creativity while reducing waste, turning leftover scraps into something that tells a story. But the potential of scrap wood doesn't stop at furniture. Even small offcuts can be transformed into decorative accents, such as abstract wall art, mosaic-style coasters, or intricate wooden inlays for cabinets and tables. Some woodworkers use scraps to craft detailed sculptures, layering and carving each piece until a completely new form emerges. Others turn small leftover pieces into functional home accessories like cutting boards, candle holders, or even handcrafted jewelry. In the world of woodworking, no piece of wood is ever truly wasted. Scrapwood presents endless opportunities for creativity, sustainability, and innovation. Whether it's repurposing small fragments for intricate designs or assembling large scraps into sculptural furniture, the potential is only limited by imagination. By breathing new life into discarded wood, artisans not only create stunning one-of-a-kind pieces, but also contribute to a more sustainable, resourceful approach to woodworking. Every piece of scrapwood holds the potential to become a handcrafted treasure, proving that even the smallest leftovers can be transformed into something truly extraordinary.